Why does cleaning your hard floors have to be such hard work? Sweeping, scrubbing, mopping.
Even if it looks clean, invisible bacteria could just get spread around.
Introducing the amazing new Vax Glide. It's a cordless hard floor cleaner that can save time. Because it vacuums, washes, and helps dry at the same time.
Lifting away dirt and bacteria fast in one easy step. It's got an advanced multi-surface brush roll. What does that mean?
It means it can do this. It's got twin tank technology. What does that mean?
You're always using a mix of clean water and Vax solution that kills 99.9% of bacteria.
And high power mode? That means it can even do this.
Its revolutionary Vax 1 power battery gives you up to 30 minutes high performance cleaning.
And can power every other product in the Vax 1 power system.
When you're done, your floor's dry and smelling fresh in minutes.
Vax Glide gets on with cleaning itself.
And the dirty water gets poured away.
So you can get on with this.
Clean hard floors fast and easy with the amazing new Vax 1 Power Glide.
Vax 1 Power. Endless possibilities.
Floor cleaner is the perfect solution to vacuuming and washing any hard floor. The FC5 saves time on household chores by combining the vacuuming and washing into one. Using tap water, the FC5 can be used to clean everyday dirt and mess that collects around the home, leaving floors perfectly clean and smelling fresh. What's more, it can be used on all hard flooring, including stone, tiles and laminate, as well as sealed cork and parquet, and waxed or oiled wooden floors. Simple to use, the FC5 automatically moistens the self-propelling rollers, whilst the vacuum function takes away dirt and water, allowing the floor to dry in just 2 minutes. The flexible head and angle design allows you to get around all obstacles and into all hard-to-reach places. The unique roller design cleans right to the edge, giving an even clean all round the home. The rollers can be cleaned using the simple-to-use cleaning stand, under a one-tap or in the washing machine.